we are back again with a whole new fresh segment wherein our little Naira, also known as Ashnoor Kaur from Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai, shares about her television journey while she was just 5 when she started off her career with TV serials. Let's hear what she has to say.
First, I started with Jhansi Ki Rani as Prachi on Zee TV, and after that, on Zee, I did one more show as lead, Shobha Somnath Ki as Shobha, and that was very challenging. I got to do many other things, many new things in that. I learned horse riding, talwar bazi, tir, and all that stuff, bow and arrow. So I enjoyed a lot. That was a different show from all, and my look as well was with heavy costume and all. So after that, I did Na Bhuli Tum Na Maine Kuch Kaha as Nanhi on Colors, and that was a bubbly character, and I enjoyed that. And after that, on Colors, again I did a show as lead on that was Ma Durga as Durga. So after that, I did Mahadev as Ashok Sundari. Then I did Tum Saath Ho Jab Apne on Sony Pal, again as lead. I was playing Najma in that, who wants to become a tennis player, but as she's from a Muslim family, she's not able to play tennis. So that was a struggle, and after that I'm doing this. So I'm Ye Rishta. I'm liking this because I'm getting to wear western dresses in this, because इससे पहले मैंने जितने भी shows किए हैं, almost all of them are mythological and historical. So I'm getting to wear western dresses in this. That's why I'm enjoying this. And one memorable show was Shobha Somnath Ki, because I got to do many things in that. I'm enjoying it very much. As I told you, I'm getting to wear western dresses. I can open my hair. I can make any hairstyle. So I'm enjoying it a lot. The artists are very good. The directors, everybody is very good on the set, and my character is very good. It's a bubbly, childish character, so I love it. So all of them are very good, and especially Karan Bhaiya, because he teases me sometimes and he plays with me. So sometimes हमारी tongue slip हो जाती है, so मैंने cucumber को cucumber बोल दिया था. So he teases me daily कि तूने खीरा खाया आज. So we enjoy. I guess I have done all the characters, all sort of characters. I have done mature, I have done bubbly, I have done serious, I have done emotional. So yeah, comical I have not done. So yeah, I would like to do that. It wasn't challenging because I love acting, and I used to love acting, and I still love acting. So it's like my hobby which I'm doing. And rahi baat studies ki, so I carry my books on the set, and my mama was a teacher earlier, so she teaches me now, and it's not challenging or difficult. I manage it. I get A+, and all my teachers appreciate me. So what happens is I do a few lessons in advance. So whenever I go to school, the next time teachers ask a question, and I give the answer. So the teacher appreciates me that she goes to shooting, but still she knows the answer. So I feel good. It was very easy actually. I didn't have to go for any audition or something. My Zenith auntie, so she needed a child, and I had come from Delhi that time. And my mama and Zenith auntie had a common friend, so she referred me to Zenith auntie. And then she just said, okay, she's good, and sent her to shoot. So my first serial was Hish Fir Koi Hai. I was doing Rucha Gujarati's Childhood. And after that, I did Jhansi Ki Rani. I gave audition for that. And then it started. Keep watching our show, and I love you all. Mwah.
Well, this surely was not a piece of cake for you, Ashnoor. Do post your comments and tell us if you liked this special segment. Upasna Patel with cameraman Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hello, I'm Ashnoor Kaur, and you're watching me on India Forums. Please subscribe on WhatsApp TV.